Hey, what's good, guys? I'm just... Nothing. I'm filming a YouTube video. Okay, so... I'm about to take my dog for a walk. And you guys can come with. Well, I was already gonna film the walk while I take him, so... Oh, and I walk him without a leash now. Like we just said, so I'm gonna meet you guys up front. Bye. For now, at least. Bye. For now. What's good, guys? I'm back. Harley, come on. Harley, come on. Hey guys, I'm sorry for that interruption, but these people were walking by. I don't want to film a video on my here's this tablet, and I'm seeing it. So yeah. Harley, still wanna go for a walk?
Now, don't take him out on the leash because...
I know, I don't take him out on the leash. He stands right by me. Come on, baby. Come on!
You don't have the leash. You just said you don't take him out on the leash.
I know, and you said don't take him out on the leash.
Well, what if one of our neighbors...
Alright, so let me put this in my hand. I can go out the door. And I can get Harley out of my hands. Y'all know Harley. Harley. This is Harley. It's H-A-R-L-E-Y. So, that's my friend Olivia. Subscribe to my YouTube. What you wanna do? Harley, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Hold on. Okay, I got him walking. I know you guys can't see me right now because it's really shitty. I'll review the footage. But if you guys can't see me, I'll just describe what's going on. Harley's walking right beside me. I'm walking right beside him. Ding! That's what's happening right now. Oh, now you guys can. Oh. I was about to say you guys can see me now, but you can't. No! Ow, I just popped my jaw. Never guys. Harley, no. Harley, stay back. Come on. There's a guy who's backing right now. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. He's not gonna hurt you. Come on. See, it's okay. Okay. So I usually just take, since I live on 31st Avenue, my house is down there behind that fence. This is a dangerous looking house. But I take him to the end of there, right down there, if you guys can see. Take him down there, maybe a little bit farther, and then we go back home. But I'll show you the back of my house if you guys want to. Yeah, I'll do that. Sorry if I seem upset, but I'm just really fucking tired. I woke up. Watching porn all night. I'm just kidding. I was not doing that. I don't watch it yet, at least. But yeah. Yes! Yes! I got 2 free tacos. It's fine. Okay, comment down below if you guys like Liza Vine. Because she's fucking hilarious. I'm like her biggest fan. Oh, follow me on Musical.y and Snapchat. I'll leave you my Musical.y account name and my Snapchat down below so you guys can follow me on those. And if you don't have Snapchat or Musical.y, download them on your smartphone. Harley, get the fuck back here. Oh, he's pissing on the flowers. Harley, babies. Hold on. Okay. Ow, fuck. Okay. So, Harley, no. You see that cat down there? Right there? Right there. So weird. But Harley's out. Alright, come on. There he is. My baby. Okay, so I'll meet you guys back at the house. And then I'll go back where you guys can actually see my face. Alright, bye. For now. I'm not leaving. I'm not doing my outro. So, alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, it's a potato. Wait. I know I'm copywriting, but hey, no, I'm not copywriting, I'm lip syncing. I'm playing that from my tablet. So, bitch, fucking copywriting. Oh, I said I would show you guys my backyard. Chair. Dumpster. House. Brick wall. Doggy. He's a pitbull. He's my neighbors. I think his name is Yoji or something. I don't fucking know. Comment down below if you speak American and you know what his name is. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, see? Oh, he likes me. Hi. I don't know if you guys can see him. Shit, that's a yellow jacket wasp. Fuck it, I'm running. Oh, this is my backyard. Grandma! 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 I'm like a prisoner in jail. Grandma! Can you let me in? Please? Okay. So while we wait, give me some video ideas. Comment down below because you guys haven't been commenting and liking on my videos. You don't have to like if you don't want to like it, but at least comment. Come on. Please. I mean, it's a very small channel and I want to make it like Thanos Gaming one day. He's my favorite YouTuber ever. Hi. His sister. Yeah. She just woke up too, so. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get back there so you can see my face. Alright, bye. Hold on, my dog Bootsy. I don't know if you can see her, but she's in that screen door right there. Bootsy, baby! I think I'm only gonna let him in for now. You enjoy those dogs. I'm just kidding. Put that back on then. Let Bootsy out here. Bring Bootsy over here. What?
We're going to the vet to get Bootsy's booster shots.
I thought we were gonna get her neutered.
No, not today.
Oh, well, I'll post a video on that when I can. So this is just another vlog. Most of it was thinking, Bootsy, can you see her?
Oh my god. Oh my, wait, show this. Alright, guys, so I'm his sister. Listen,
Alright, guys,
listen.
so this is a muffin.
It's a cupcake. It's a chocolate cupcake with like chocolate. Oh.
Let me do my hair and then also look up at Musical.y for you guys. Well, I love Musical.y stuff. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys liked and enjoyed the video at any time, you could like, subscribe button, comment down below. So yeah, alright, bye guys. See you later when I film. Let's go into the vet. Bye.
Grandma.